This is how you can turn a boring formatted table from ChatGPT into a nicely formatted table in PowerPoint in a few seconds. So first of all, let's copy our table, then paste it here in PowerPoint. Just going to increase the size. Then from here, the first thing that we do is to increase the font size because it is too small. Increase and move things around a little bit to the size that you want your table to have, and move things around. Then right here in table design, we can create a header row and then banded row. Notice here that in the styles, the information changes. When I click on banded row, it updates. So now that I have the header and the banded row, PowerPoint gives us some different styles that we can apply. So I had selected this one here, and very quickly our table is formatted. So if I wanted to have the first column here a little bit smaller, because that's just my heading, notice now that this first one here is larger than the other ones. So in order to distribute these columns, we can select the headers, come here to table layout, and click on distribute columns. And very quickly our table started falling in place. And one thing that we could also do, if I wanted this first column here to be different, I can align them to the center, just so it gives a little bit more difference between the other columns. And that's how you can very quickly turn a ChatGPT table into a nicely formatted table in PowerPoint.